These days, we all hear a lot about mosquitoes, and Rachel DeToro has some great organic methods to control these pests.
Danny, we've all heard to clean our gutters and eliminate the nesting places for mosquitoes. But here is a place that we want the mosquitoes to come and lay their eggs. So we've left this out, easy to reach. The mosquitoes will put their eggs in here and be immediately eaten by a little native fish called gambusia.
Oh, that's great. Well, that kind of takes care of itself then. You're feeding the fish and eliminating the mosquitoes.
Exactly.
Now, citronella candles are something that I've heard about for many years, and are they very effective?
We have used citronella candles, but I prefer the fresh plant. And you can crush the leaves. It smells fantastic.
Boy, it really smells like the citronella candle.
Yes, it does. And you can use the plant by just crushing the leaves and rubbing it on yourself, or you can use it to make a spray or tonic to spray around, make a repellent. Along with this plant is lemongrass, and it also is very effective for mosquito repellent.
Okay, now I understand you can make a tea out of that, is that right?
Yes, we had it this morning. It's delicious summer drink. You can drink it every day, and the more you take into your system, you make yourself less attractive to the mosquito in the first place.
That's a great idea. Now this one I'm familiar with, basil. I know it's real commonly used in, say, Italian cooking.
Yes, and we've made pesto many times this summer with the basil, and the more basil, oregano, and rosemary that you would eat, it makes yourself naturally repellent.
Yeah, that's great. Well, these methods are a lot better than spraying all that bug spray on.
I agree.